Hey guys, today I'm back with these cute cat sat in the moon nails, and if you wonder how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with my Moyu London plate. I just stamped the cat sat in the moon in black. And then with a shimmering silver polish, I just filled in the moon. And while that was on the side drying, I just applied 2 coats of this shimmering greyish blue polish. And then with a sponge and a little bit of top coat, I just painted it on the sponge. And then just tapped it on the nail. And while that polish was still tacky, I just stamped on the cat. And for the rest of my nails, I just applied this glitter polish from Fun Lacquer. 1 coat. And then once that was drying, I just applied this cuticle guard around my nail. And once that was dry, I went back in with a sponge and another layer of that polish and just dabbed it all over my nail to create the opacity that I needed. It was still a little bit sparse, so I went back in with a second coat. And then once I was all done, I just peeled off that liquid latex and finally applied a smudge resistant top coat. And it's 2 coats for that glitter nail to make it nice and smooth. And there you go, these cat sat in the moon nails. I think these are so cute. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and subscribe with Google. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!